This supper?
It's the supper.
Homemade chicken soup. Look at that. Do you like it?
Yes, it's good.
Ooh.
It's delicious.
I'm not much of a soup guy. Well, since it's 39 degrees outside,
Right.
I'll soup it up. I'll make up for it later. How you doing? How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
All right. Busy week?
Oh my gosh, there's so much to do this week before Christmas.
Look, I could eat this with a fork. Homemade chunky soup. You made this, right?
Yeah, I made it.
You didn't record it though, right?
I have some pictures of it. I'll give you.
But we did make it before. We have videos of it.
Oh yeah, lots of
soup.
times.
I'll put a couple down there.
This was just on the stovetop, and I used my food processor to chop a bunch of carrots and potatoes.
Are they lima beans?
Yeah, they're butter beans.
Oh, butter bean.
Oh, they made it so good and creamy. And I also used a special ingredient this time.
Garlic.
Oh, of course, garlic. A daikon radish.
Is that long thing?
Yeah, it looks like a big carrot.
It was white. Like
Yeah.
horseradish? Is that what they make that out of?
No, it's a radish, and they taste like a little peppery, little bitey, and that put a good flavor into the soup and good nutrition too.
Good for us, right?
Yeah, good nutrition.
Bow tie, pasta. Did you try it yet? Is it hot?
It's hot.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay, me too. Yeah, it's
Need
a
some
good
meat.
soup for a cold day, right?
Bread.
I bet you somebody else is having chicken noodle soup tonight too.
Probably. Good for you, right? Slurp it up. Well, we finally raked the leaves out there.
Well, that tree took a long time to release all the leaves, and it was one of the latest ones in the neighborhood, but the township came by the next day and cleaned up our pile of
Yeah.
leaves that we raked
She
out.
raked for a while. Look.
Oh, you recorded that?
No, this is just a security camera.
Oh,
Then I came along with the blower. We got about 97% of them up.
yeah.
Some were stuck to the ground, but
Yeah.
I don't believe in raking leaves anyway since I was a little kid. And it's better for the grass, I think.
Well, that's a big tree, and there were, I know you don't like to use the word a ton of anything, but there were a ton of leaves.
Come on, 100 pounds. Got more Christmas cards. Thank you. Didn't open them yet. I was waiting for you.
Let's see,
We had
where
some
was the
from a
card?
couple weeks ago, or last week, too. We got the one and a half one. Joan Markowitz. Markowitz, maybe.
This is Amanda Sunspree. We know that name.
Sansbury. Santa Claus. Oh, look.
Sunspree, excuse me.
Elf. I am not. In case you wondered.
You are gonna like this card.
Why? Gnome for the holidays.
Meowie Christmas. Oh, this is handmade by someone. It's beautiful.
Oh, I can't read all this. I'll leave my glasses. You'll have to read
Oh.
it for me. Look.
Amanda says, best wishes for a joyous Christmas filled with love, happiness, and prosperity. I've included some lottery tickets
Look.
you both can do in a video, maybe
Yeah.
a Friday one. Merry Christmas, Rick and Kathy, and we hope you both have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you for making videos for all of your fans to enjoy. My husband and I enjoy watching together. We wait every week for videos to be posted. Oh, I hope you both get what you want for Christmas. Oh,
Thank you. Wow, we didn't have a lottery ticket. I asked her, do you have lottery tickets today? She said no.
maybe Maybe more kitchen gadgets. Maybe we will get a Christmas video. Oh, your friends Amanda and husband.
Thank you.
Cook with May. Oh, that's right. I keep
Yes.
forgetting she's Amanda.
Wow, look at them all.
Cook with May. Did you make this card, May? Look at how nice.
Yeah.
It's like drawn and copied. It's really nice.
Now look at this gnome for the holidays. Read that because
Oh, yes. That's pretty
you're a
cool,
reader
too.
and I don't have
Look
my
at
glasses.
the glitter.
I don't need
Ooh.
glasses, but
I like gnomes, too.
Gnome Malone.
Meowy Christmas.
What state is this from? Can you tell?
What would it say? Oh, I have to look a little closer at that.
Don't look at me. Go ahead.
Okay, this one. Hi, Rick and Kathy. We are avid followers. We watch every video, especially Friday night
Yay!
dinners. So, really funny. We are wishing you both a wonderful Christmas together. Keep on doing what you're doing. As your fans, LOL. Love your videos. Joan and Dennis from New York. Oh, that's really nice. Thank you. That
Thank
message
you.
means a lot to us.
Thank you very much.
Both do. Thank you.
This is the Hoosier Lottery. Who's your winner? Indiana.
That could be right. I have to think where this card came from.
Well, we'll have to take a trip there to cash it in.
Amanda came from Indianapolis. Who are right.
Indy 500. Wow. I'm going to save a couple of these for later. We like saving them for later. But,
We also like doing them on Friday videos.
yeah. Okay. Oh. Maybe there's an app. It'd be easier, right?
Oh, I don't.
Here I am with glasses on.
It's okay. You look nice.
We didn't make Christmas cookies yet, did we?
No. We are going to
Are we
go.
going?
Yes.
Because I thought of it when I saw Colin. There's the Hoosier Lottery.
Colin and his
Yeah,
grandparents.
I saw
are-
Colin standing on a chair making cookies. There's a picture.
They are always ahead of the game,
Yeah,
right?
Sister Adrian, they're making like reindeer decorations on. That's so nice. With his Grammy. He was making them with his Grammy. It's
Yeah.
really nice.
She's a good cook, too.
Yeah, and what a cook he's going to be. And Adrian probably too. Because their daddy's a cook. So, I got this app.
Okay.
Whoa!
Cook with May.
Oh, sign up or log in. I don't want to do that. I just want to scan it. Oh, back here. Scan ticket. Nice.
Give me my scratcher.
We're doing it early this time. We're excited. Oh, which one? Here, do this one. $10,000.
Right, this one because it's a holiday.
Wouldn't that be great? Holiday jingle. Oh, we're like where?
Yeah, I know, it's
Here.
the opposite of the Pennsylvania one.
We're eating chicken soup. In case you just joined in. Homemade chicken noodle soup. Scan. Oh. Let's see. Ooh. What's it say? Successfully scanned. Not a winning ticket.
Okay.
All right.
Nice try. Thank you.
Try another ticket. That's okay.
Oh.
Here, do some more. Festive 50.
Festive 50. I like that.
Be Festivus, George. Santa Claus was here. Scan another one. Here we go. I beat you. Not a winning ticket.
Okay, try this one.
Fun though. It's fun.
Feels lucky. What's it say?
Not a winning ticket.
Oh.
Let's see. We got 3 left. Should we do them now?
Yes.
Where's this at now? Here.
2024. This is for the new year.
Oh,
Yeah.
we can go there for New Year's Eve.
Okay, that's what you said last time.
Oh no. Oh yeah, I did. Nope.
Okay.
You?
Try that one.
Okay. Nope.
How can we get used to writing 2024? It looks like it has gold glitter on it.
Man, it's crazy.
Yeah.
24. All right, we'll try this one. I didn't think we'd do any lottery tickets today.
No, this is a nice surprise.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, May, for the chance.
Uh-huh.
Amanda, we appreciate that. Thank you very much.
More chicken soup. Oh, yeah, and our friend Diamond Jim sent us a box of meat, cheese, bologna.
Goodies.
Yeah.
And we opened that before the Friday.
Gone. I think there's that much left.
Yeah, we still have a little left, but we enjoyed that, Jim. Thank you.
I thought we'd save it for when people came for the holidays.
Oh, yeah. We had a nice
It was too good.
couple snacks
That
about
was a nice surprise. Thanks,
Yeah,
Jim.
that is. Thanks.
There's a lot of meat in here. Are you done wrapping the presents and stuff?
Today I spent time wrapping presents and, making them organized. So when different people stop in. But I'm really happy with everything pretty much being wrapped. So it's time to start focusing
You're
on
a
the
rapper?
food.
Are you a granny rapper? Rapping granny over here.
You know what I like to do? I like to buy those gift bags that you see on like QVC or something and just stick the present in the bag and do the drawstring and tie a bow. Not everybody likes to open them, but oh my gosh, it makes it so quick.
I like to open them. It's better.
And- yeah.
Then I give the bag back. You want to keep this bag?
Well, they also don't tear like some of the
Wrapping
paper,
paper, yeah.
does, but it's really easy, much easier. And it already has a bow on it.
What was that? Brownies? We saw brownies in a cup. What was that?
Oh,
you
yeah.
have it here. You don't have to show me, but I think I'll record the video. Brownies in a cup, and you put in water and put it in the microwave, and somehow turns into brownies. Would you like to see that? Did you ever hear of that? What's next? Hamburger in a cup?
I never saw meat come that
Meat
way.
cups. Did I make meat cupcakes already? See, I'm eating soup. Soup! What's next? Salad?
See, and he also likes it.
Because I know I'm going to have a big snack later. Because I eat. Well, I eat.
They're
Is this
good.
a light supper?
Yeah, there goes the rest of the snack box, Jim.
Maybe. Thanks for visiting us again. Check out some of those chicken noodle soup videos down below. And check out this channel. And maybe we'll see you tomorrow or later tonight or before Christmas, that's for sure. Hope you're all done shopping and having fun. Not done having fun, done shopping. Just start having fun now. It's Friday. Yay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
See you soon.
Cheers. Oh, cheers. Cheers. Hey. Sure, there's no steak sandwich back there.
No steak sandwich with the soup.